Hi, it's me, Dr. Prasad Pradhilan. Continue my classes on organic chemistry, class number 6. This is organic reactions, mainly electrophilic substitution reactions. So organic reactions can be classified mainly as substitution reaction, addition reaction, elimination reaction, as well as rearrangement, in which nucleophilic substitution reaction explained in previous class. This class is mainly concentrated on electrophilic substitution reactions, that too of aromatic compounds. So electrophiles are electron deficient atom or group of atom. That means they are having positive charge or they are having electron deficiency. So in general, an electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic compound can be represented as benzene reacts with an electrophile to give electrophile substituted benzene with the removal of a proton. So here benzene I represented one hydrogen or all carbon having equal hydrogens. So just to show the removal of a proton, I represented it. There are three steps in electrophilic substitution reaction. First one, that is formation of electrophile like X plus, so that is in case of halogenation, NO2 plus, that is in case of nitration, SO3, that is in case of sulfonation, R plus, that is alkylation reaction, mainly Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, RCO plus, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions, can be explained here. Attack of electrophile is the second step, and the last step, that is deprotonation or removal of proton. So formation of electrophile in case of halogenation, a halogen molecule, it may be chloride or bromide, it mixed with a Lewis acid like aluminum chloride or ferric chloride or BF3, or even metals like iron and zinc can form the corresponding neutrophile. There is a formation of electrophile with a heterolytic cleavage of the halogen atom. The bond between halogen atoms will break heterolytically to get corresponding electrophile. In case of nitration reaction, the reagent used is nitrating mixture. It's a mixture of a concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. And we know if you take these two acids, the sulfuric acid is most strong acid. Therefore, it will be donating a proton to nitric HNO3. Then the protonated HNO3 will remove water molecule to get the corresponding electrophile, that is NO2 plus. Even N2O5 also can be used as an electrophile in case of nitrating mixture, nitration reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, that means the electrophile formed is alkyl or carbocation or alkyl group with positive charge on carbon atom. The first method in which the carbocation can be formed is with alkyl halide when reacts with aluminum chloride becomes a carbocation. Even alcohol react on protonation gives the R plus. Esters, ethers on protonation gives the R plus. Even epoxide on a reaction with H plus also produces the corresponding alkyl group with a positive charge where ring opening reaction takes place. So these are all the possibilities in which we are getting the corresponding electrophile for Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So since it is a carbocation, most stable carbocations are formed, or if most stable carbocations are not formed, then we have to think about the rearrangement like a hydrate shift or methyl shift or phenyl shift or even bond shift need to be considered before this electrophile is used to attack the aromatic or the electron density, the carbon with a more electron density. In case of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, the possible reactions are acyl chloride reacts with aluminum chloride to give acyl molecule with positive charge. Even anhydrates also will give the corresponding acyl group. Even esters also on protonation gives the acyl group. Alcohols on protonation gives acyl group. Sulfonation reaction, the reagent used is concentrated sulfuric acid, which is on heating. One molecule of the sulfuric acid gives a proton to the other molecule, and subsequent removal of water molecule and rearrangement of the electrons, finally we'll get a SO3. SO3 act as the electrophile here. SO3 will attack the benzene ring or the molecule with more electron density, and the proton will be added to SO3. Finally, we'll get a SO3H or SO3H, or if it is benzene with SO3H, that is benzene sulfonic acid. Then second step, that is attack of electrophile. The electrophile will search for electron density or more electron density. The benzene ring is having electron density. The pi electrons are in resonance, but the electron density is available there. So it will will try to get electrons from the pi electrons. So it forms a pi complex is formed. This pi complex produces a carbocation which further stabilizes by resonance, and these are the molecule since because of resonance is there, the carbocation is stable and it becomes a one of the intermediate of electrophilic substitution reaction. Then the last step, that is deprotonation. The hydrogen will be removed as proton H plus, and the electron deficiency of the benzene ring will be satisfied. Therefore, finally, we'll get the electrophile substituted aromatic compound. So, based on which reagent is used, if halogen is used in presence of Lewis acid, we'll get a halogen substituted benzene. If it is nitro group nitration reaction, we'll get nitrobenzene. If it is sulfonation, we'll get benzene sulfonic acid. If it is alkyl group, we'll get corresponding methyl or alkyl substituted benzene molecule. So this is in general of that of electrophilic substitution reaction with aromatic compounds. So in those reactions, we've seen that at the final stage, it is the removal of a proton. If other than, if proton is not removed, the other molecule which is attached to that benzene ring, if it is removed at the final stage, such type of reactions are known as ipso reactions. Riemann-Tiemann reaction, and there are so many other name reactions which are example for aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction, which a phenol reacts with a chloroform and a base like KOH to get corresponding orthohydroxy benzaldehyde or salicylaldehyde. Here, a carbene, dichlorocarbene is the electrophile used here, and this reaction is also known as formylation reaction. Colby reaction is also an example for electrophilic substitution reaction in which phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide and carbon dioxide to get salicylic acid. Carboxylation reaction is another name for Colby reaction. Nitrosation reaction, in which NO group, it is one of the important reaction in which NO group is attached to an alkyl molecule, like phenol reacts with NaNO2 and HCl to get a NO group attached phenol at a para position. Diazo coupling is also an example for electrophilic substitution reaction. It's an example, phenol as well as aniline also will give the same reaction. Here the phenyl diazonium salt which act as the electrophile, and coupling reaction takes place. Even the aniline also will give the similar coupled product. So these are all about in general about electrophilic substitution reaction. Hope you understood the concept of electrophilic substitution reaction. Thank you very much for watching my video and have a nice day.